when we talk about investment, the best 5 investment that you will do without regretting in Nigeria, number one is invest in land. Land property is the best. It appreciates. It will not depreciate. No matter how, no matter where you invest that land, even if you buy the land inside bush, my sister, my brother, the land will still appreciate. The land will still be appreciating. Even if you are sleeping, the land every minute, every hour, the land will be adding. It will be adding money. If let me give you for example now, if you bought the land, you have bought the land for 50,000 naira like a year ago. Go back to that land, same land. Go pretend as if you want to sell that land. You will be amazed the kind of money the land has added for you. It's like it's an investment. You will do that investment, you will keep it, you start making money, you start reaping the benefits. Go and research, go and find out the right source where to get the land in a cheaper rate. You can invest in the village land. You understand? The number two there is invest in gold. When we talk about gold, jewelries, oh my goodness, you will not lose it. You will not lose your money. You in fact you get double of it. If you have invested 100,000 naira in gold, you will get 200,000. I'm not telling you to go and maybe as a beginner you should go and be buying gold anyhow. Go and learn what real gold is, how to differentiate between good gold and it has a level by level, if I may say that. I don't know much about it, but people that are doing gold business, that are importing gold business, like that are importing gold, even around Nigeria here, people are buying gold. In Lagos, in Abuja, in so many places, so many states, they are selling gold. Just make them know how to invest. They will coach you, they will teach you how to do investment in gold, how to buy gold, how to sell gold. Just buy it. Like this jewelry is not gold. But if you want to invest in gold, go and find out how to differentiate between the original and the fake. All that glitter, you understand. When we talk about business investment in Nigeria, the third one there is mini importation, like importing clothes, bags, shoes. Oh my goodness. I know people that are doing that business. Today, they are not looking for somebody that will lend them money. They are living comfortably in their house, and the best part of it is that this business, you don't need to travel around the world to get this business. You can sit in your comfort zone and they will import it. You just pay your money, they will bring your business to your doorpost. You will receive your business, you will receive your investment. So when we talk about investing in mini exportation business, we are talking about knowing the right source, going to the class, on attend class, and they will coach you how to import hair. When we talk about hair, oh my goodness, people that are doing hair business, they are killing it now. They are packing the money, they are making money, like money. When we talk about money, so invest. Don't, if you are a stay-at-home person, a woman, a man, don't just sit down and watch television. You can be watching television while making your money. You can be using your phone to chat with your audience, to chat with your clients, to chat with your customers. You are making money. People will see you and say, ah, look at her, look at him, he's not doing anything at home. But you are making more than those people that are going out every day, running kitty, 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 as if they are chasing them. So you can do your business in your comfort zone. So the number 4 there is food business. When I mean food business, local food. You don't need to import them. You can, import what is it called? Some of them, but the one I'm talking about, your crayfish, your smoked fish, your potato, your watermelon, your cucumber, you can buy them around you. Look for cheap markets. Market they are selling in bulk. Market they are selling, I mean the large quantity of it, that you get there, buy it, and you calculate it, you see your gain, you see your profit. Oh my goodness, remove all the expenses, you will discover that you are doing a great job. When you say a great job. So when we talk about this food exportation, I remember when I came to Lagos newly, I almost almost you know almost get to every business, every market in Lagos. When I hear, oh, Aswani market, they are selling this, they are selling Aswani market, I don't know this market. The next morning, I prepared my transport, everything. It's not as if I want to buy something. I'm just going there to look, to take a look at the market, what they are selling, what I can get there. If I can start a business, and I'll be going there to buy in large quantity. That is it. So I discovered their funny market and what they said there. So I came back. I was asking myself, I just wasted transport. But something in me said, you did not waste transport. You went there to look for what they are selling, to know what they are selling there. So when I heard Lagos Island Market, Echo Idumota, I said, oh, a lot of people are going there to buy clothes, bags, hair, a lot of things that they are selling. I said, okay, why can't I do this? I prepare myself again. I went to Lagos Island just to find out what they are selling, to find out what I can be selling also, if they will be supplying me. I collected people's contacts, those people that are selling hair, clothes, bags, shoes in large quantity, yeah, the wholesalers. So even the wholesaler, they have people that are selling to them in that market. The warehouse that they are going to, they call themselves wholesaler, but they have a warehouse they are going to. They are packing their products and everything, buying from. So I discovered those warehouse, and that one is a story for another day. So when I discovered Alaba International Market, I said, "Oh my goodness, I have to go there again." But I didn't go there. Why? Because the day I wanted to go there, something happened. It's also a story for another day. So the last one is the number 5 is invest in beauty. When we talk about beauty, you are beautiful, you are handsome. So invest in beauty, like makeup, like what is it called, the cream, moisturizing cream, and so many things like hair, beauty accessories. You can buy them, you can be selling them too. Talking about profitable business, beauty, they will mention it, they will mention it. If you have to look good, all those makeup artists, all those people tying your igele, they are making money, they are making big money. All those people massaging you or giving you face, what is it called, your manicure, pedicure, is beauty. So if you have the accessories, it will be less for you. Just go there, pay less, and they will do your job for you. You just go invest in beauty. Before, I don't focus on beauty, I just come out, do my thing, no makeup, no, sometimes I don't remember to rub cream, my body, my skin will be dry. I don't care about myself, like I want to go out, I'm rushing out, I'm rushing. Just cool down, calm down. You are not in any competition with anybody. Calm down and do your things. Do your thing, like, take your time and do your thing. Don't just rush. Focus on your beauty, focus on yourself. Invest in beauty accessories. Buy them. When it is time for you to sell, just sell them. Yes, buy them and keep. If you are looking for money, don't go about looking for somebody that will lend you money. You have those things. It's good to have those things for rainy day. You sell it. It's an investment too. So the bonus, when you talk about bonus, fruit business. When we talk about fruit business, you can be blending it, and you can also be selling it raw like that. You can be doing it juice, make it blend it and sell the juice. That one is also profitable business. A lot of people, they are looking for something that will detox their body, something that will make their body free from germs and all that. Would you know that when you are taking fruit, you will not be struggling to go to the bathroom? I don't want to I don't want to mention it. So you will not be struggling to free yourself from after eating a lot of things. So you need fruit juice, or you can eat it like that. You can eat your fruit like that. So fruit business is also profitable. You can invest in fruit business and look for area that they are buying fruit, maybe where people are passing every day, not where only cars and what is it called, trailers are passing. No. Look for where people are passing, both people with people trekking, both people inside car, a busy area. Just be doing your juice and also be selling it raw. So before you know it, your business will start growing. You can also be supplying it to people in bank, people that are working in offices. They don't have time to go to the market and buy their fruit and all that. You can be supplying them, and you will get your gain. You will get your capital also. So let us reflect what I've mentioned. We talk about buying land, investing in land property, buying them and it appreciates, it does not depreciate. Investing in gold, buying gold and buying them and keep them for the rainy day. If you are looking for money, you can sell it and use it to invest in other things. Number three there, mini exportation business, like exporting, mini importation business. Yes. The number four there, I talked about food business, like local food business. In Nigeria here, we talk about local food business, your crayfish, your dry fish, your smoked fish, your snail, the dry one, the fresh one, your plantain, a lot of things. So I have a lot of ideas in investment. So when talking about investment, just call Estachi Business World. The number five there, investing in beauty accessories and all that. So thank you for watching. My name is Estachi Business World. Please stay tuned to this channel and let's discuss. We have to grow together. Thank you so much for listening to me. Please share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.